The Caribbean is on the edge as three massive United States B-52 bomber fly close to Venezuela's coast. Now, this is sending shockwaves across Latin America. US President Mr. Donald Trump, he says that this is a clear warning to Mr. Nicolás Maduro, while also authorizing CIA operations that could include the lethal strikes. Well, the US also deployed F-35 fighter jets, their Reaper drones and a warship, signaling that Washington is taking no chances here. In the meantime, Maduro responded with a lot of anger, by the way, accusing the US of orchestrating coups and trying to destabilize Venezuela and the wider region as well. He warned that any interference would face serious resistance, portraying the US as trying to control Latin America the way that it did during the Cold War, if you remember that. Here, experts say that this is more than just a military posturing. With America's high-tech aircraft and covert operations in play, the stage is all set for a potential showdown here. In the meantime, Russia. You might be wondering, what is Russia doing in the story? But Russia is a key supporter of Maduro and it is watching closely, raising a lot of fear that this whole conflict could actually escalate beyond Venezuela's border. In the meantime, for the ordinary people in Caracas, the sight of B-52s and warships nearby is terrifying, sparking panic and uncertainty here. Analysts warn that even a small mistake, a teeny tiny one, can trigger a full-blown military confrontation between the US and Venezuela, joined by their allies as well. So the question is this just a warning, or are we on the brink of a real war in the Caribbean? You know what? Whatever happens next, the entire globe is watching, and tensions from here, they have never been higher than before.